Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I'm going to tell you about English learning tips. So today, I'm going to talk about language learning. If you're watching this video, you're probably learning English. So this will help you a lot. Language learning is an art. If you are going to learn any language, you have to spend a lot of time to learn English. Time. If you don't spend a lot of time with studies or listening, you are unable to learn English. I'm a language teacher, but I'm also a learner. Language learning is a fun. If you take, if you're going to consider it as fun, hopefully you will learn a lot. You have to create an environment. You have to spare at least 30 minutes a day or maximum whatever you can. Language learning not a difficult task, but you have to spend most of time with language. Sometimes I often say that I can understand English but unable to speak. But that's okay. It's normal. Some people are going to sad or frustrated. This is normal. Sometimes I make big mistake when I'm going to speak English. I make mistake with grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. But this is normal. Everybody makes mistake while speaking other languages. If you don't make mistake, you want to improve your language. To improve, to get better, you need to make mistake. You need to talk, you need to practice, you need to have fun. So don't worry about your mistake. Have fun with English. If you don't have fun, you hard to learn English. So first step is fun with English. The first step is reading books. Don't bore with books. You have to read more books. If your reading is if your reading is better and you can speak better. But except reading, you have to listen more stories and more commentaries and more dialogues. Either you want to improve English, then you have to spend time with cartoons, obviously. Because cartoons are in simple language. So if you're going to learn this language, you have to watch cartoons. I'm an English teacher and I have different students. I taught many students. I have different students every day. Sometimes I have many classes and other days I have few classes. Most of my students are from Pakistan and some other countries. So every day I talk to people all over the world in English. This is really fun. I love my job. So during my workday, I have some breaks. Sometimes I have 30 minutes breaks or more than 30-minute breaks. During my breaks, I need studies and I love to listen English speakers. If you want to improve your English, you have to listen many other speakers and many native speakers. So this will help you a lot. See you in next video.